Ka Kanun Menteri Kebelai Kendo haka arpusau trik menailar arhajar arpuar kalashim karai ban pendo no ya ka Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act arhajar katsau. Bat ban penteri kamno dakaan jong Sorkar pedeng kebelatip kum ke Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act arhajar katsau. Haka bedai ginong demadan. Habayakran beginong pathai kubor Menteri Sorkar Jela James PK Sangma ulong bagi Sorkar Jela kelathau ya la kejongkaan. Hendrai habagi Sorkar India kelathau ya ka Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act hagasnam arajar katsau. Komta ketenat Sorkar kelawan ra egenegamat sekejingelang jong kekenhun menteri ban penduk no ekaan jong Sorkar Jela hendrai ban penteri kamno dakaan kebelathau da ke Sorkar Pedeng. Uniu Menteri Sorkar ulong bagi Sorkar Jela kan penteri kamno dakaan jong Sorkar Pedeng bat mentakin hak bansnai ki rule bat ki katukan kimat ki bakongsan. Haka rule ki kentup ya ka bansnai ka Town Vending Committee bat kariti terekam jong ka committee. Haka ba Chief Executive Member Neu Executive Officer jong Municipal Board unong Chairman Nong mi kemat no ka office jong Deputy Commissioner banlong hapok ke kerdan jong Additional Deputy Commissioner kumu Secretary Unang mikmat na ketenat pulit ban omlong hapok ke kerdan jong Assistant Superintendent ki pulit ban long dekat. Nong mikmat na ke Traffic Police, District Medical Health Officer, nong mikmat na ketenat Planning bat na ke District Council ki ban long ki dekat. James PK Sangma ulong bakin danru segi non-official members ki bakin thup unong mikmat na kaliang kinong demadan na ke Market and Trade Association way dekat na keseng bahalang, way dekat na gibor penyat senong, but way dekat na kembang.
However, the government of India recently had legislated in the year 2014 the Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act in March 2014. So, in a follow-up to the communication of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, the department has gone ahead to bring this agenda to the cabinet to repeal the present Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014 and in its place adopt the Central Act. So this matter was discussed and the cabinet gave its nod to the repeal of the State Act. And consequent to this, we have also adopted the Regulation of Street Vending, Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Rules 2022. Was this ambiguity on this matter because of also the fact that there is a central act which is in place and whether we will adopt this, and there was a move to ask the government to adopt the Central Act. So now that the Central Act has been adopted in the state of Meghalaya, I think that those there will be much more clarity as to the issues which have been raised by the Honorable High Court, and I think that there will be no further ambiguity.
James PK Sangma ulong bagi Sorkar Jela kala rairu ban penkelai kedor Khajna jong ke petrol bat diesel. Bat lale ekane namar bakadon ke jing penkelai kedor jong ke petrol bat diesel ha asam. Ula pentip bakador Khajna jong ke petrol kalong khatlai poin san na sispa ne khatwei tengka silitar bat asim kat ke bahaya. Bat la penkela no ekane syaka khatlai poin san na sispa ne khatar tengka san ponaya silitar kat ke bahaya. Bat ke diesel pat na ka san nak sispa ne sau tengka ha ka ban sim kat ke bahaya syaka san nak sispa ne san tengka san ponaya silitar bat an sim kat ke bahaya. James PK Sangma ulong baga jingde ya ke petrol ha bernihat kalong kendai pusan tengka ponaya bat kadang kejingnya per ha kador kata setengka kendai puar naya ha pedang gejela Asam bat Meghalaya. Kat bahasilong kejingde petrol kalong kendai pun ru tengka prapulai naya. Ha kebedai bagi diesel pat gedor dia kalong prapulai tengka sanpo naya ha bernihat bada shilong la dia ha gedor kaba prapusau tengka henyo puar naya bat kedan kejingnya per ha pedeng kajing dia ha shilong bada bernihat.
So basically, in very simple terms, the effect of this is basically that presently, if we look at the rate of the retail sales price of petrol in Bernihat right now is rupees 95.10, and now there will be there will be an increase of rupees 1.92. So that, sorry, there will be a difference of rupees 1.92 between government between Assam and between Meghalaya. So it is now going to be 95.10 in Bernihat and 96.83 in Shillong. This is petrol. And for diesel, the new RSP, that is the retail sales price, is going to be 83.50 in Bernihat and rupees 84.72 in Shillong. And the difference basically would be in Bernihat rupees 1.44 for diesel and rupees 0.22 in Shillong for diesel.
Ujem speaker sangma ulong baka kenhun menteri ke Shimru Ekarai banseng yaka National Law University Bill Arhajar Arpuar. Badang shen ke Sorkar jela Klemenjor yaka National Law University Ordinance. Nrai namar basyan kan sesedang no ke dorbar senrai jogi yang dorbar tawain ke jela komta on penkela no yakane ke Ordinance syakabil. Nalor kani ulong baka kenhun menteri ke ajing menjor ban penkela yaki kendon jangka Meghalaya Education Research and Training Service Rules Arhajar Khatar. Naga benta ban penkela ki kerdan jogi no hikai. Kata naga lecturer syaka assistant professor grade 2, senior lecturer syaka assistant professor grade 1, but yaki selection grade lecturer syaki associate professor. Kakanun Menteri Kelarai Ruben Penteri Kam yakan National Judicial Pay Commission kumpala betha bagi Supreme Court. Hakabede bagi jingsi utlop yagi baterai haki yang syari.
On the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court, the Government of India had notified the Second National Judicial Pay Commission on the 16th of November 2017, and these recommendations are to evolve. The terms of reference of these recommendations was to evolve the principles which should govern the structure of pay and other emoluments of judicial officers, to examine the existing structure of emoluments and conditions of service and to make recommendations including post-retirement benefits, to examine the work methods and the work environment as also the variety of allowances and benefits, and to suggest rationalization. So this matter was discussed in the cabinet today. The views of finance and personnel were also sought, which were placed and made known to the members of the cabinet, and we have taken up this matter, and the cabinet has given its approval for implementing the recommendations of the Second National Judicial Pay Commission.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.